uh, right now, what we are trying to do, I can just explain like why we started to do this kind of thing. We saw that in this market, online hotel booking or online travel booking, it's mostly going to B2C. And for the people who is doing B2B is kind of ignoring the travel agent's needs. It's only most of the time the thing is selling the hotel in a cheap price and forgetting the travel agent's needs, such as like the distribution on online market. So when it comes to this kind of situation, like the companies like booking.com or Agoda or hotels.com is going to be give a hard time for travel agents, because most of the people already can use online systems and they can make a booking for themselves. But still, the travel agents are one of the most important things in the travel business, because actually travel agents are there for the trust, because people trust them, because they can see their faces and their offices and they can make the payment to them. So if there is any problem, they can still go to them and then discuss stuff. So still people are not 100% ready to use online systems like booking.com and Agoda, because they don't have the trust when they are making the online payment. So in this point, we saw that they are very big in the market, but in the same time, because of the value and the part of the travel agent in the travel business still make them valuable, and still we can change this game the other way around. So when it comes to booking.com and Agoda or the others B2C websites, actually they don't really care if the travel agent lose the business or lose their customer, or if whatever happens to them, they don't really care. So actually we start Chehobo for the people who wants to have an online system, but also it's not going to be costly for them, because before I was working for a company who is making an online booking system. I saw that the companies who is buying the system, they were struggling so much, because they don't have the IT skills, they don't have the online marketing skills, and the amount of the money they are spending is not covering them. The system is not making the money for covering the expenditures for the system. So we thought that if we create a brand and if we work with the travel agents, and if we make this tool useful for them, and if this is going to make a profitable thing for them, then they are going to help us, because they will see that we are helping them. So we create this brand of Chehobo, and right now in 20 countries we have more than 4,000 agents working for us, and we are making more than thousands of bookings in a week, and we have all of the need from the travel agents. For example, like when you buy your own travel system, online booking system, you need to give all of the services like online marketing and IT support, or 24-hour support for the customer who will book, because when you start online, there is no time limit anymore. When you close your shop, it doesn't mean that your work is done. So with Chehobo, we are giving all of these services for the travel agents. When they are working with us, they can get the benefit of the call center or the email support or anything which we give them, so they are going to make use of it. So actually they are not going to make a lot of effort to expand their business online, but this will make benefit for them. So we create Chehobo to be partner with the travel agents and make them use of the online like benefits of the internet connection right now. So in this point, I can explain a little bit how it works. So Chehobo is the main brand, and we are established in Dubai, as I told you, and RedTech Travels our operator in Philippines. So also RedTech Travels they have agents working for them and affiliates they call. So in Chehobo also we have the same thing. So RedTech Travel is going to be the responsible of the operation here, and you will be the people using the system. And you can also create your customers, your corporate clients, or if you have like agents which is working under you, you can add them into the system and let them make booking with your own markup. Let's say you are buying the hotel from us for $100 and you add your markup like 10%, then you will be getting like your 10% profit in your account immediately. So this is like a commission way as the others doing, but this one is the your markup. You will be defining your own markup. So that's why let's say when you have a corporate client, maybe you can determine your markup in a different way. But if for an end customer who will stay in the hotel, maybe you can use different markup. Or if you have an agent, you can use different markup for them. So this will help you to sell products online. In the same time, it depends on what kind of system you are using, but I don't think none of the systems have this kind of distribution channel for the B2B bookings. So right now I will show you a little bit how to use it, and then I will get your questions about how you feel like using it, or you can ask your question after I'm done with the explanation. So this is our website. We have you can go from b2b.chehobo.com, and if you didn't register, you can just register here, and then you will get your you will be able to use your username and password directly without waiting or without anything. So first we will give you the demo account. After that, when you load your company registration certificate or tax certificate, then you will be able to use our system and see our rate, check the hotels which we have. So all of these things you can do. So once you have your username, I mean email, so you can type and then your password, then you can log in. So the easy part here, if you log in already, you can record your Facebook account, connect to your username and password. So without typing your username and password, next time you can log in with Facebook. So it's going to be faster login for you. So once we log in, right now we have only hotel booking in the system. And the system looks like this right now. So it's similar to the other systems, and it's going to be easier for you to use it because we made it very simple way and not so much distraction on the screen, and only thing that cut to the point and hotel booking. So few clicks you can finalize your booking. So for example, what we have here, you can change your language, or you can change your currency here. So we have Philippine peso here. But the thing is, I want to explain you, right now all of the hotel rates based on USD. So what you see in Philippine peso, it's kind of reference for you. So you will know approximately how much it's going to be in Philippine peso. But the thing is, when you are paying with your credit card, it's going to be charged in USD. And depending on your credit card company, so they will use the currency exchange rate, and that might make a difference with the rate which you see on Philippine peso. So I suggest you for now to take USD as the reference and make your sales according to that. But in 1 or 2 months' time, we will be able to launch our multi-currency payment level. So you will be able to you will be able to pay with Philippine peso as you see on the screen. So right now, if you have USD card, you will be able to see pay what you see. But for Philippine peso, it's just like a reference. So I just wanted to let you know about this. So the next thing is making the hotel search. It's quite easy in our system. So let's say you are searching Bangkok. You can search Bangkok and you can see the cities, or you can search like a hotel name, the city. So you will be able to see all of the rates which is related to Bangkok and Sofitel. So let's say we are searching Bangkok, and then so actually it's the same thing. If you type Bangkok or Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit, it's the same thing. The system will bring all of the hotels in Bangkok, but the difference is the Sofitel Bangkok will come on top and in green circle. So you will be able to see it easily. But if you don't like the price, or if you don't like the room categories, whatever, you can just continue to see other hotels and compare the rate. So after that, you'll be selecting the check-in and check-out date. So let's say 2 nights we are selecting. Here to go back, like you can change check-in, check-out date like this. And the room number which your guest will stay, up to 5 room you can select. And the adult numbers and the child, of course. And if you select the child, you need to select the age of the child. So also you need to select the nationality, because in our system we have different rate for different nationalities. So that's why the nationality selection is kind of important. And after that, you can click on search. So right now in our system there is more than 440,000 hotels. We added like more than 80,000 hotels last week. But the thing is, when you are comparing with Agoda or Booking.com, you will see the difference number of hotels, the number of the hotels. This is the reason. The reason is for this. Agoda and Booking.com, they are adding residences or like condos or the places like which is not hotel. But mostly in our system, it's going to be the hotels only. So you will be able to find all of the 4, 5, 3, or 2-star hotels. But you might not be able to find the apartments and condo type of places to stay. So when you search, you will be able to see the hotel which you search. So we have a button here that about this hotel is good for us. Either our rate is good or our review is good. So right now we select more than 1,000 hotels like this in the world. Either our hotel rate is very good, or our customers stayed and it's good. It's a good review. So also sometimes if we have a problem with the hotels, we don't sell the hotels and we are telling them if their service is bad or if our customer had a very bad experience. So we are telling them we are not selling their hotel anymore until they fix their problems. So this is a good thing for you that, like, for example, the recommended hotels list here, it's not about the rate all the time. So either our rate is good or our customers buying it all the time, these hotels, or their services are good. So we recommend them. It's not about the price on all the times. So you can see other hotels also. It comes with recommend button. So other thing what you can do, you can sort by the price. So the cheapest will be coming here, and or the most expensive one, or the star rating, the first 1-star hotel, or the 5-star hotel, or the alphabetical order. So the other thing, you can show the hotels on the map. So this is going to help you to see the hotels, where they are located, and it's going to be easier for you to understand which area actually, if you are looking for. Let's say in Bangkok, if you are looking for the hotels in Sukhumvit area, then you will be looking around here. So once you, let's say you are looking for an Asok area, then you can see the hotels here, and then once you click on it, then it will take you to the booking page. I saw that you have a question about what if we need to book more than 5 rooms. Actually, our rates are not applicable for group bookings, and for FIT bookings, more than 5 rooms, that means for us is a group booking, because mostly hotel rates we are getting from the hotel, they are not giving for us to make a booking for more than 5 rooms. But if you have 6 rooms or 8 rooms or 9 rooms or 10 rooms, you can try to make a booking like 5 booking first time, but 5 booking second time. But I cannot guarantee that your rate will be the same, because most of the supplier or our allotments around 5 to 8 allotments for each hotel. So, or other suppliers also giving the same. So, but you can try that way, but or you can let us know if you have a group booking. You can email us by philippines@chehobo.com, so we can try to help you according to location. We can try to help you for your group bookings also. So the other question is if you have a plan of condotel apartment. Right now we don't have a plan like that, because it doesn't work the way we are working, because most of those kind of hotels are loading their rate into booking.com or such similar website. So for us to be able to fulfill their requirements and loading their rates to our website, we need to make a good amount of booking to those kind of hotels. But right now, we don't have much people asking this kind of thing, so we don't think that we will be able to reach their volume that they will load their hotel. But we have extranet for the hotel. But if they are willing to do, yeah, they can load their hotel into our system.